When I start my conversation to a prospect, am I using the same template? Or am I customizing it based on who this customer is? You may not know that in the first 30 seconds, but in the next 15 minutes or in the next 2 calls, dapat may idea ka na. Right? I've met a lot of amazing real estate agents. And sa kanila, depending on who the customer is, may 5 clear book. Clear book 1, family. Clear book 2, single. Clear book 3, high net worth individual. And the way you sell the property is depending on their profile. Down to the amenities you explain, it's all different. Customization is the name of the game.